And we're here on the state's original petition and suit affecting the parent-child relationship. Both parties have now been served. Parties are not in agreement in regards to the issue of child support. And I do have a proposed order from the state. If I may read those terms and take testimony from the parties.
You may.
There are two children before the court. Elliot Garcia, born May 17th, 2021, and Austin Garcia, born March 28th, 2024. I offer in the evidence what's been marked for identification purposes as State's Exhibit A, the acknowledgement of paternity for both children attached to the state's petition, filed March 27th, 2025.
State's Exhibit A is admitted.
And parties have agreed to be appointed joint managing conservators of the children, with the mother having the exclusive right to determine the children's primary residence in Dallas or any surrounding county. Parties have agreed to a standard possession and access schedule, with exchanges taking place at Charles Gill Elementary School in Dallas, Texas. Mother will be ordered to maintain the children on private medical and dental insurance through her employer. Father will be ordered to pay cash medical support of $124 per month beginning August 1st, 2025. Father will be ordered to pay cash dental support of $36 per month beginning August 1st, 2025. Father would be ordered to pay guideline child support of $1,221 per month beginning August 1st, 2025.
Mr. Leach, can you repeat that amount, 1,221?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
And this order contains no retroactive judgments, court costs to be billed to Mr. Garcia. There is a request for a finding of family violence and non-disclosure, and that is the extent of the order, Judge, if I may call the parties.
You may.
I'll begin with the mother. Ms. Liang, could you please state your full name?
Alondra Liang.
And did you hear the terms of the order read to the court?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand those terms?
Yes, sir.
And are you in agreement with those terms and believe that they are in the best interest of your children?
Yes, sir.
And are you agreeable to the judge signing this order today without your signature?
Yes, sir.
And do you have any safety concerns between you and Mr. Garcia currently?
No.
In the past 2 years, has there been any incidents of family violence between you and Mr. Garcia?
Yes, it has.
When was the last occurrence or event?
I think it was October 2022.
Of 2022?
Yes.
And what happened on that day?
Do I have to be specific?
Yes, ma'am.
We got into an argument, and then he started saying stuff to my dad. I stepped in between both of them, and I slapped him. And then I got taken.
When you say you got taken, what do you mean exactly?
Police showed up, and then they took me. I got arrested.
Okay. And so you were physical towards Mr. Garcia. Was Mr. Garcia physical towards you at all?
No, he wasn't.
Okay. And since this incident back in, well, I guess prior to this August 2023 incident, were there any other incidents?
No.
Okay. And there's been nothing since this August or October 2023 incident?
That's correct. Nothing at all.
Okay. And does Mr. Garcia know where you currently live?
No, the exact address.
Okay. So what other reasons are there that you would request that the court grant the non-disclosure of your contact information in this order?
No.
Are you saying you're not requesting a non-disclosure?
That's correct.
Okay. I pass the witness, Your Honor, and if I could call the father.
You may.
Mr. Garcia, did you hear the terms of the order read to the court?
Yes, sir, I did.
Do you understand those terms?
I do.
And besides the issue of the child support amount, are you in agreement with those terms and believe that they are in the best interest of your children?
I am not.
Besides, are there any other issues besides the child support amount?
Yes, on June 2022, and I got the case number right here with myself. She pointed a gun, one of my handguns, towards myself and our kids, the oldest kid, Elliot Garcia. And I left forced child safety with my kid towards a friend's house. And I got the video recordings of the phone call on this iPad right now where I'm at right now. So she
Okay.
never got arrested for that. But that was in June 2022, then October 2022, that's when she got arrested for the family violence.
And we'll go back and address this
Mhm.
family violence here in a moment, Mr. Garcia. But there's nothing in the order granting anything in the proposed order for family violence. But I understand, are you requesting a finding of family violence?
It's something I got to look at, to be honest. It's something I got to think about.
Okay. But going back to the terms of the order, like I said, there's no finding of family violence currently.
Mhm.
So besides the issue of the child support amount, were there any other issues that you had any issue you were not agreeable to?
I'm sorry, just the amount, to be honest, because me and her, we have an understanding that I guess we're going 50-50 between me and her, nothing with the court. You know, like my schedule, I work on Panama schedule. I work one week, I work 5 days, next week I work 2 days, and vice versa. So the kids have been with me since yesterday. They'll be here with me Sunday. This week they stay with me 5 days. They'll be with her 2 days, and vice versa. Next week they'll be with her 5 days, and they'll be with me 2 days. So that's what I don't agree with.
So you're saying you don't agree to the $1,221 amount because of your current schedule with Miss Liao?
Correct. I do agree to the 160, the medical and the dental. That's fine. I agree to that. But to 1,221, I don't agree to that.
Okay. Is there an amount that you would be agreeable to for the child support?
The 160, to be honest.
Okay. But you're asking besides that, you're asking that no child support be set?
Correct.
Okay. Are there any other reasons besides kind of what you see as y'all's current schedule to be as to why you'd request that this court deviate from the recommended guideline amount to set the child support at $0?
The reason why I'm saying that is because, well, of course, when they're with me, we buy everything on their own. Between myself and my family, we take her on our own here, and vice versa. She does the same thing with them on her own time. That's the reason why.
Okay. So yeah, so you are agreeable to the 160 in medical and dental support, but you are requesting that the court deviate and set child support at $0 per month.
Correct. I do agree to that.
And going back to that prior family violent incident that was you mentioned earlier, that was June of this year.
No, 2022.
2022. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
I do
you
got
say,
that number if you need it.
but you're not after that incident. Were there any other? Have there been any other incidents between you and Ms. Liao?
So that was in June 2022. After that, it was October 2022, which is the one she mentioned where she got arrested for family violence.
But there's been nothing since that most recent
No, sir.
October 22. Okay, okay. And you are not requesting a finding of family violence today, is that correct?
No, correct. Not today.
Okay. Okay, Judge, I'll pass the witness. I guess there's no longer a request for non-disclosure or finding of family violence. But I would ask the court if they believe that there should be a finding of family violence and to make a ruling on the child support amount.
So I will accept the agreed portions of this order, make the agreed portions the order of the court. I will order child support at $1,221. There will be no finding of family violence and no finding of non-disclosure. Mr. Garcia, I understand that you say that's y'all's visitation schedule right now. That's what y'all are doing today. But this order does not reflect that. This order says that you agreed to be joint managing conservator with Ms. Liao having the right to determine where the children live, which means tomorrow you could decide you're not going to pick them up for your 5 days, and she would just be stuck out with no child support. So I feel like it's in the best interest of the children to order the child support. If Miss Liao does not need it, she can give it back to you. She can put it in a savings account for the children. There are many things she can do with it, but I feel like it's in their best interest to order the child support so that if anything's changed, they will be covered. Okay? Now that I've given you my ruling, if you don't like it, if you think it's not fair, or you just don't agree, You have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. This is out of the 256th District Court. That is Judge Sandra Street. She might have a different opinion of mine. Now that I've given you that information, do you have any questions?
Yes, ma'am. How can I contact the court to appeal?
Mr. Leach can email you the information for the appeal process. Okay, sir?
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Any questions, Ms. Liang?
No, ma'am.
All right, then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, Mr. Leach.